Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to repair blurry video with stellar video repair software. As we all know, how videos are becoming a crucial part of our day-to-day life. Having to watch a blurry video can really be a pain to the eyes. If you are experiencing the same issue, here's how to repair blurry video with stellar video repair software. You need to simply download and install the software to start the process of fixing blurry videos. Now you need to browse and add the blurry video files you want to repair by clicking on Add File option. You can either select a single file or multiple files for repairing. Now, click on the option Repair and let the software fix your blurry video. You can see the process of the repairing process in the overall progress bar. Once repairing process is complete, the software shows a list of video files with their status. The files with status completed are repaired, and you can watch the preview of those files. For the files with status awaiting action, you need to click on Advanced Repair to fix them, as they are severely corrupted. For using the option Advanced Repair, you need to click Next and add a sample video, which is basically a working file of any size created from the same device and of the same format as of the corrupted file. After it's done, click on Save Repaired File to save the repaired files in your desired location. And in no time, you have fixed your blurry videos. Go ahead and free download this amazing software to bring your corrupted and distorted videos back to life.